again. It's the one only Happy Hungry Hibby. Welcome to my show. What we're going to cover this week is the chicken ruby. That is the recipe there. And then this is what it looks like. This also requires makhani sauce. This is a really good book. Put this into two. First of all, we're going to make the marinade. We're going to marinate the chicken, or if you're vegan, you can do tofu. And then we're going to make the makhani sauce. Really excited about trying this. Been waiting ages to do this. So first of all, we're going to make the marinade. Now, ooh, I can see my wife, can you? Yes, she's busy. So if you're going to go vegan, you could choose a nice tofu, or you could choose chicken. If you do eat chicken, eat responsibly. I've chosen some free-range corn-fed chicken drum fillets from Waitrose. Always make sure you wash your hands after you handle chicken. So the ingredients for the marinade, we need a lime, garlic puree, ginger puree, sea salt, Greek yogurt, local sauce, rapeseed oil, hot chili powder, garam masala, ground cumin, cardamom pods, and ground cumin. So first thing, we're going to make the marinade. We're going to make it all into the blender, and then we're going to blitz it, and then we're going to massage it into the chicken. And then here we have it, just simmering away there slowly. The nice garnishes. I'm just going to serve this up now into a nice big serving bowl. The Smiths are quite patiently waiting in the background. So some nice pomegranates to serve over the top. Some fine strings of ginger and some coriander. Wow, and my father-in-law is sniggering in the background, aren't you, Dave? chicken ruby, which is named after Cockney slang for Ruby Murray. Very appropriate for the England versus Italy game. Really hope you're enjoying the show. Please do subscribe. Lots of love and passion going into this show. Also, please check out the playlist, where I've also got a playlist for curries. Cheers.